In this example, I will explain forward contract with treasury bill as an underlying instrument. And in the second part, I will explain as how parties can terminate the contract before the expiry date. See, forward contracts are obligation. Party X and Party Y have to buy and sell based on the forward price at the future date. But parties can terminate the contract without breaking the contract, which we will see in the second part. In this contract, which is formed on 31st December, Party X is a long position as Party X agrees to buy T-bill for $9.85 on 30th January after 30 days. And Party Y is a short position, so Party Y agrees to sell. Now assume that market price after 30 days on expiry date is $9.75. Who will gain and who will incur loss? See, Party X, which is long to buy at $9.85, will incur loss as Party X will buy at a higher price than the market. So Party X will incur a loss of $10. Difference between the market price and the forward price. And Party Y is in gain of $10 because Party Y will sell at a higher price for $98.5 when the market price is $9.75. Now here we will discuss how parties can terminate the contract without breaking the contract. Same example. Now assume that it's been just 15 days into the contract. Today date is 15 January 19 and we are still 15 days away from the expiry date, and Party X wishes to terminate this contract because market price after 15 days is $9.80. Party X is already in losses and thinks that losses will increase if it continue to hold this contract. So Party X wants to minimize losses by terminating the contract now. How Party X can terminate the contract? By entering in an opposite position in a similar contract with same expiry date. Now look how Party X will take an offsetting position. This is original contract. In original contract, Party X had entered as a long T-bill with forward price of $9.85 with expiry date of 30th Jan. Now the Party X, to terminate the contract before the expiry, can terminate only by taking an offsetting position. So Party X was long on the original contract. On new contract, Party X will then take short position. So today date is 15 January, just 15 days have been passed. And Party X will take a short position in a T-bill with forward price of $9.80. We are assuming that forward price is equivalent to the market price on 15 January 2019 with same expiry date. Now if you compare original contract with the new contract, you can see that underlying is similar and expiry date is similar. Both these contracts will expire after 15 days. And the original contract we had entered on 31st December. And this new contract we entered today. Now see what will happen on 30th January 19. Now assume that on 30th January, market prices fell to $9.75. On the original contract, Party X will incur loss of minus $10. And on new contract, Party X will incur loss or gain as Party X agreed to sell forward for $9.80 when market price is $9.75. So on this contract, Party X will get a gain of $5. So what would be the net position? Net position will be minus $5. Now assume that market price fell to $9.70 instead of $9.75 on 31st December. What will happen? What will be the payoff on both the contract? On the original contract, Party X will incur loss of minus 15. And on new contract, Party X will gain $10. So Party X net payoff would be minus $5. See, by entering into offsetting contract, Party X has minimized its losses. Now losses cannot be higher than -5. Whatever the case would be, party X will continue to incur losses of -5. Had party X not entered into this contract, losses would be much higher. Even prices will fall further. What will ever happen to the prices? Party X will not incur loss above -$5. That's why this process, the process of entering into the offsetting position before the expiry date, is called termination of the contract, as you can completely eliminate future losses if you take offsetting position. Here I want you to do one quick exercise before we move on to next topic. Okay, as you can see, this is related to previous video where we terminated the contract by taking an offsetting position. So in black font is the original contract and this is new contract. As you can see, in the original contract, party X took a long position. So that's why to offset it, party X took a short position in new contract. The forward price on original is $9.85, on new it is $9.80, and both these contracts have same expiry date. Now you have to calculate net payoff for party X if market price turned out to be $9.55 or $9.75 or $9.95 in 3 different scenarios. Now calculate it quickly. Party X took a long position on a T-bill at $9.85 and market price if turned out to be $9.55, what will be the payoff for party X on long contract? See that party X will buy T-bill for $9.85 when market prices turned out to be lower, $9.55. So here party X will register losses. Loss of how much? Loss of $9.85 and $9.55 minus $30. And on the another contract, short contract, party X agreed to sell at $9.85 when prices turn out to be $9.55. Here party X is going to register gain. Gain of how much? $9.55 and $9.80, $25 positive. So net payoff would be -5 if market price turned out to be $9.55. Now calculate payoff if market price is $9.75. What will happen? On T-bills, buy at $9.85 when prices are $9.75 in a loss position because party X is buying at higher price than the market. So it is -10. Loss of $10 on X on long contract. And on short contract, party X will sell at $9.80 when prices are lower. So sell at higher price, so it's a gain and the difference is +5. So payoff would be -5. Now the third scenario, if market price is $9.95. If party X will buy at $9.85, which is lower than the market price, party X will earn a gain of difference between $9.85 and $9.95 plus $10. And here on the short contract, party X will sell at $9.80 when market price is $9.95. So party X will sell at lower price than the market. So the loss is the difference between $9.80 and $9.55, which is -50. So again, the net payoff for party X will be minus. As you can see, whatever the market prices are going to be in future, by entering into an offsetting position, party X will not see losses going higher than -5. It means that party X has virtually terminated the contract without actually breaking the contract.